In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for archives, Zippy, in Google Drive. If you've ever downloaded project backups, received compressed folders, or exported data that ended up as zip files, finding them quickly can save you a lot of time. Google Drive makes this easy with its built-in search tools, and I'll walk you through exactly what to do. Start by logging into Google Drive. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page. You'll see the big search bar that runs across the header. This is where Drive lets you look for files by name, owner, type, and more. To make your search precise, we're going to use the advanced search options connected to that bar. On the right side of the search bar, there's a button that opens Advanced Search. Depending on your version, it may look like a set of sliders or a small icon labeled Search Options. Click it. A panel will open with several filters you can use to narrow down results so you don't have to scroll through everything in your drive. In this panel, find the field labeled Type. Click the drop-down and select Archives. This tells Google Drive you're specifically interested in compressed files, which include zips. Choosing archives is helpful because it filters out documents, images, and other file types, leaving you only the archive files you're looking for. Once you've selected archives, go ahead and run the search by clicking the search button. You can also press enter if you prefer using your keyboard. Drive will scan your available files and show you everything that matches the archives category. Your results will now display all the zip files in your drive, along with other supported archive formats. This includes items stored in your main drive and anything else you have access to, such as files shared with you. If you work in multiple locations or with shared content, this makes it easy to gather all compressed files in one view without hunting through folders. From here, you can open a file's details to confirm what's inside, preview supported items, or take actions like moving, organizing, or downloading. If you regularly need to find zips, remember that this same advanced search filter will be right there the next time you open the search options, so you can repeat the process quickly. And that's it. By using the search bar's advanced options, choosing archives under type, and running the search, you'll instantly see all the zip files in your Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you find what you need faster.